Okay, here it is, guys. It's a 2014 BMW 640i. The cover's right here. It says twin turbo power. The airbox is right to the right of it. Obviously, as you can see, I already installed the VR tuning box. The VR tuning box, I placed it right back here by the firewall. The clip is here. Right underneath here, if you can see clearly, is the port underneath. The manifold port is right underneath here. So if you look down here, that's where the manifold port goes. So right in the bottom here, there's a port. You'll see a sensor. And then the boost port, actually goes right below here, as you can see, right here. Okay, so right by the strut wall, if you'll see the strut wall, there's a 640i strut wall, and it goes right here. That's the boost port. And these are all the wires for the harness, right? And there you go, that's the VR tune box, and the manifold port is right underneath. You can only access manifold here and port here. Okay, so it's a 2014 BMW 640i, and here's the way it looks after it's done. Pretty car. Hopefully we get a lot of boost out of this with the tuning box. Thank you.